Hello again. A new day, a new surprise, and I may say I am my own Santa Claus. And you see, I've been looking for a small MIDI keyboard, musical keyboard. Surfing the internet, I found one of the selling platforms, very popular, something interesting and with a absolutely crazy price. I couldn't resist, so I had to buy it. So let me tell you from the beginning, I paid for this only 15 euros with a kind of reserve that working properly, but we'll see about that. And there we are. So far it's looking good. It's exactly what I was looking for. Slim, tiny MIDI controller, MIDI keyboard controller. Oh, look here. Bam bam. 15 euros. Are you kidding me? Slim and audio interface in the same time. So you know what that means? I can use this like a sound card. PCR1 MIDI controller and sound card or sound interface. Rule number 1. Never do anything before cleaning it just a little with some alcohol. You never know who touched that. But it's not so dirty, it's not so dusty, so that means it wasn't used too much. I can see some marks on the keys, but that's not related to being played. It's probably moving here, there, everywhere. Okay. So I have a connector here plugged to one of my USB ports, and voila, you heard the sound? We already have, but I'm afraid it's not enough power on that port, so that's why I have to check for another cable. So yes, I got another cable. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, so this is a USB printer-like connection, and there we go. Now it's working, and I don't see anything on the display. Check this. So just disconnected. Why? Yeah, those keys are not working because we got this light and it's just disconnecting itself. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside there. So obviously there is a problem. Screws are pretty, how can I say, worn, because probably it was used on the lap. Probably, that's a kind of explanation. My USB port doesn't fit enough power for that, but you know something? We can just plug the USB cable to a 5 volts adapter, and supposedly we can, yeah, it's on. This one is not working, this one is not working, this one is not working. This is good, not good. I can see already very clear where is the problem. Some of the keys are not working, obviously. The volume, it's only for the audio part of the things. This one, it's working. What about the pitch control? Oh, that's a very nice pitch control. Modulation. Yeah, it's working. These guys here, they are working. Modulation. Yeah, so I can see very clear the problem is about the power delivered by my USB ports. Probably I need a separate 5 volts power in. Do I have another one? No. Okay, there we go. You see, it's a very simple keyboard, no strings, it's only plastic, but for working MIDI and have it always nearby, it's amazing nice. This is also have also dedicated MIDI ports that we are really interesting. Great. Okay, that's it, of course. Okay, let's do this. It's still dusty, but here's something nice. I can see all the rubber, you know, these ribbons, rubber ribbon, they are attached with some adhesive. So this is really nice because that stuff, it's keeping the dust away. What we can do here, it's a very simple stuff. We can use a little bit of graphite from pencil to redo the surface, or maybe I should check for continuity, because so many times I found broken lines. Yeah, something like this. And now let me check for continuity. Like I said before, I found so many times broken lines with a very subtle oxidation at the end, at the edge of these little contacts here. Okay. This one, let's see, goes where? Good. Good. Simply, let's check the contacts first. Okay. The ribbon is back in place. We should have power. Yeah. We got power. So, let's take this one by one to see if we have signal. Nothing. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's try now. Oh, there we go. 120, 130 and 120 milliamps. It's not so much. But why Windows it's closing this down? Tell me. It's on and turns off for a few seconds. Now, let's give a help. Here we have 5 volts. Let's check the right polarity, because I need the plus to be inside. 5.14. And here is the extra power connector. The keyboard it's on, obviously. And now let me connect it to the computer. Well, doesn't see it anymore, and it's off. Okay. Yeah, it's delivering power, but it's not working. And it's off. Something related to what? So this little keyboard, it's so old that the drivers are not supported anymore on Windows 11. So I just installed a virtual machine. Now I'm hooking this little guy. As you can see, we got lights, we got everything, and it's stable, just stays there. And let me open an old WinCake Cakewalk 3 Oh, and it's gone again. Well, it's tricky to catch this on. That's it. And let me check. The output goes to Midi devices. Okay, we can use that. Let's see. I should hear some sound. Evidently it's working, you see. I got this. Yes, in fact what I was looking for is to see if the keyboard is working, and it is. Okay. Okay, almost there. So what can I say? The keyboard is working somehow. Now the problem is to find the driver, or I don't know, anything, a hack maybe, to make it working with Windows 11. You know, I was kind of excited, but finally turns to be a pretty tough situation. Okay, I'm still searching for it. If you have any ideas, please comment and write them down there. You know, that will help me a lot with my quest, let's say. You know, I like the size of this. You see, it's very nice to have it on the desk all the time. It's cozy, I may say. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for looking. Like usually, thanks to my sponsors Radu and Vlad and Czech, and of course don't hesitate to comment, subscribe to my channel, it's a need, and of course push the like button at least. And until the next one, wish you well, and of course don't forget to have fun. See you, bye bye.